Going on, but there are a whole lot of cessnas on my street right now, like 5 that I can see at the half of the street closest to Deseo. One has a huge bright spotlight headlight, the other has a big red flashing tail light, the other ones are all turning around. So I don't know what's going on. The one with the headlight's now coming towards me, so I guess I'll record him in a second if he keeps coming. So I guess he's flying, it would be the diagonal from the back left of my property to the front right, except he's closer out to the street. Now here comes another Cessna. So that guy's flying from Oliveira, basically, the Oliveira Deseo, towards my house. That's the kind of diagonal. Then the other guy's flying from Falda Deseo towards my house. And he has a headlight on too. So this is looking down the street.
Hey,
What's up, dude? So that's the one that had the headlight. He's crossing over above me now. And he did the Doppler effect where he got louder on my head. Not because of the Doppler effect, because that's their argument in court. There's a satellite. And now here's another plane following right behind him. You can see I'm looking down the street. So the one guy just went over there. That's the light at 24191. He just passed there. Now here's another one who's now in pretty much the same line. The one that I said was coming from Falda. So that's weird. He just turned his flashing lights off because he was going to be recorded. Now you can see his tail flashing red light. So he's crossing over 24171 across the street now. He's making a right turn towards the tree at the 2-story house. There are 2 Cessnas with flashing lights just coming over my roof tonight.